Hello guys, my name is Big Zumbe. Welcome to Exotic Somali Bantu History. Today I have a quick question. Did you know that Somalia is the only country, is one of the countries in the world that has countries within a country? Yeah, there is 3 countries in one country in Somalia. The first country being Somalia, the main Somalia, which has its own president, its own national anthem, its own flag, and the president is Mohammed Ali Farmajo. The next country within Somalia is Somaliland. Somaliland, the president is Mose Bihi Abdi. And this country, Somaliland, has its own national anthem, it has its own flag, it has its own army, cabinets, and everything that fits as a country. Then the other country, the third one, is Puntland. Puntland is having a president who is Said Abdullahi Dani. Okay, Said Abdullahi Dani. This country is on its own too. It has its own president, cabinets, secretaries, and everything, vice presidents, military, and everything. So these are 3: Somalia, Somaliland, and Puntland. And be it known that Somaliland is the oldest country in Somalia, or at least a city, or maybe a group of states that is oldest. It dates back to up to 10,000 years, if I'm not wrong. About 10,000 years. It was the Somali Caliphate. The Khalifas the Somali Khalifas were ruling Somaliland long ago. So they had their own kingdom, and that time they used to believe in Wak as their god, not Allah. That time nobody knew Allah, by the way. Thank you for watching. See you on the next short episode in Exotic Somali Bantu History. Subscribe for more.